Who's that animal?
Welcome, intrepid adventurers. Get ready for a thrilling episode of Who's That Animal? Are you prepared to unveil the mysteries concealed within the shadows? Let's embark on this extraordinary quest. Let's commence our expedition with the first enigmatic animal shadow. Take a closer look and try to unravel the hidden creature within. Time is of the essence. Can you unlock this shadowy enigma? The correct answer is the kangaroo. Yay! Well done if you guessed it right. Kangaroos are incredible marsupials known for their unique hopping ability and pouches to carry their young. They roam the Australian outback with elegance and grace. Whoa! Moving on to the next challenge. Can you decipher the puzzle behind this mysterious silhouette? It's your turn to guess which delightful creature lurks within this intriguing shadow. Time's up. The answer is the koala. Yay! Fantastic job if you got it right. Koalas are adorable arboreal animals known for their cuddly appearance and love for eucalyptus leaves. They spend most of their time dozing off in the treetops. Whoa! Prepare for the next captivating encounter. Let's put your guessing skills to the ultimate test. Time is slipping away. Can you unravel the mystery of this fascinating silhouette? Your time is up. This shadow belongs to the wombat. Yay! Excellent if you guessed it correctly. Wombats are sturdy and burrow-dwelling creatures known for their powerful digging abilities and adorable appearance. They are native to Australia and are nocturnal in nature. Whoa! Behold, the final challenge awaits. Can you crack the mystery of this intriguing silhouette? Hurry! Time is running out. Can you identify the animal concealed within this captivating shadow? It's the opossum! Yay! Well done if you guessed right. Possums are remarkable creatures known for their ability to hang upside down and their adaptability to various habitats. They are skilled climbers and play a vital role in their ecosystems. Whoa! Congratulations, intrepid participants of the Who's That Animal? We've uncovered the secrets of kangaroos, koalas, wombats, and possums, and you've demonstrated your keen observation and knowledge about these extraordinary creatures. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes of Who's That Animal? Thank you for joining us today. Until our next grand adventure, farewell.